Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the Windows button board on a Dell XPS 12-9Q33. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, lift badge plate and remove screw. Then unscrew and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Next, unscrew and remove back cover. Then unscrew and disconnect Windows button board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.